Hello, my dear students. Welcome to the online classes of science from RPS Group of Schools. Children, this video is in continuation of the chapter Garbage In, Garbage Out. So, children, in this video, we shall be discussing that how to deal with the waste. At individual level, children, we should keep separate waste bins in our home. One should store the biodegradable waste and non-biodegradable waste items in separate waste bins. It is necessary, children, because both kinds of waste need separate methods of disposal. The separating waste in different categories for its safe disposal is called segregation. Children, in fact, the major portion of waste can be recycled and a part of it can be converted into compost. Segregation of waste starts from our home only. So, we should always keep two garbage bins. One for biodegradable waste and the other for non-biodegradable waste. And children, in fact, in some big cities, municipality provides two dustbins of different colors. The green color for biodegradable waste and the blue color for non-biodegradable waste. The garbage collector collects waste from our homes and dumps into public waste bins in a separate place away from our neighborhood. From here, the municipality Safai Karamcharis collect waste and carry it in trucks to the landfills located in the outskirts of the city. This is because, children, the waste cannot be burnt, as this will create a lot of air pollution and generate poisonous gases. And children, if thrown in water, it will pollute water bodies also. Now, what are landfills, children? Landfills are low-lying open area in a distant place where cities' garbage is disposed of. In landfills, the useful components of garbage are picked up and real waste is spread over the area and covered with the layer of soil. And children, when a landfill is completely full, it is converted into a park or a playground. But there are many disadvantages of landfill sites. For example, landfills can pollute air, water, and soil. Dangerous chemicals can seep into groundwater system through landfill. It can cause diseases in the people living around the landfill. Many insects and rodents are also attracted towards landfills. Now, children, how to deal and how to recycle the biodegradable waste? Children, biodegradable waste include vegetables and fruit peels, fallen dry leaves, paper, cotton, and jute clothes, etc. These waste can be recycled by composting. Now, what is composting? Composting is a method in which biodegradable waste is converted into manure. It is a process in which biodegradable waste converts into simple materials by the action of microorganisms, mainly bacteria and fungi. Children, the manure is rich in carbon and nitrogen. Compost looks like soil and is an excellent manure for growing plants. It recycles the nutrients and produces nutrients in the soil. My dear students, the compost is cheap, clean, safe, and reduces the amount of garbage to be disposed. Now, there is a special kind of composting called vermicomposting. Children, this method is similar to composting. The only difference is that vermicomposting, some earthworms called red worms are added to the waste materials. These red worms have a special structure called gizzard with which they grind food material. They break down food material into nutrient-rich manure, which increases the soil fertility. A red worm can eat food equal to its weight. They do not survive in too hot or too cold conditions. The And the advantages of vermicomposting are it allows the soil to retain more essential nutrients. It supplies essential elements needed by the plants. It helps reduce the adverse effect of excessive use of chemical fertilizers. It makes the soil easier to cultivate. It aids in preventing soil erosion by keeping the soil covered. Now, children, let us study about the recycling of paper. A major proportion of our waste constitutes of paper because of its wide use. From our notebooks, storybooks to posters and cardboard boxes and magazines, and use of paper is indispensable, children. Paper recycling is the process of manufacturing old paper products and turning them into new reusable paper products. Children, recycling old paper products uses less energy than manufacturing it from new materials. The paper items which can be recycled are newspaper, cardboards, magazines, computer paper, and envelopes, etc. Children, cardboard boxes and other paper products can be recycled to make many new products such as egg cartons, paper towels, tissue, newspaper, paper bags, notebooks, stamps, calendars, etc. Now, how to recycle the non-biodegradable waste, children? Children, the materials like polythene bags, plastic, aluminium cans, glass items, metals are all non-biodegradable waste. And children, these waste are generated when we get things of our uses packed in plastic and metal cans or wrapped in aluminium foil. It is very convenient to get the things in such forms. But the problem arises in their disposal after use. These packaging materials should be segregated first at home and then sell to kabadiwala for recycling. The kabadiwala carries these materials to the factories for recycling. There are separate recycling units for the recycling of plastic, glass, and metal waste items. Children, at a recycling unit, these items are melted to make new usable glass, plastic, or some metal items. At a recycling unit, these items are prepared and also it is very convenient and easy to use anywhere. Children, based on its multi-purpose quality, variety of uses, different kinds of plastic is available in the market. However, the major problem is its safe disposal. There are so many problems also associated with the use of plastics. This is because we overuse the plastic items. The process of making new plastic material by using waste plastic product is called a recycling of plastic. Children, by recycling of plastic items, we can reduce the problem of plastic waste disposal. If we recycle all of our plastics, we can reduce a major quantity of our waste and save the landfill area. Now, what are the benefits of recycling of plastic, children? The benefits are to make toys, park benches, car paints, drainage pipes, etc. To make filling for pillows and jackets. Children, when you recycle plastic, you can create millions of new useful products. Pollution of our environment can be controlled by recycling old plastic items. Now, how can we reduce the waste? Children, we can minimize waste by motivating or modifying our habits by the following some useful ways. Like by avoiding products with excessive packaging, buy in bulk or larger quantities. Segregate the waste at home into biodegradable and non-biodegradable category. Or we can sell all the non-biodegradable waste item for recycling. We can use cloth bag while go for shopping. We can minimize the use of plastics by adapting the following ways. Children, reduce and reuse the use of plastic bags whenever possible. Prefer to use cloth or jute bag when you go for shopping. Do not use plastic bags to store eatables. Children, do not throw plastic bags carelessly anywhere. Do not use plastic bags to put garbage. That's all about this chapter, children. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.